Today I'm going to give you an overview of the Solax Mobie mobility scooter. The Solax Mobie is a perfect option for a portable mobility scooter. This model from the Solax range is manually folding and can easily collapse into a compact size by pulling an easy-to-reach lever located under the seat. It comes with a keyed ignition, light-up battery indicator, speed control dial, horn, acceleration levers and multi-grip delta handlebars. The Mobie is powered by a plain safe lithium battery that is easily inserted into the base of the scooter by lining up the 4 pins. Flip-up armrests allow for easy access to your seat. The tiller can be adjusted to fit your personal preference. Solid, puncture-proof tyres give you peace of mind, and a charging port located at the rear. And that's an overview of the Solax Mobie. Thanks for watching.